Introducing the 2021 Kia Sorento K4 2WD in sleek grey. This MPV powerhouse is packed with advanced features like ambient lighting, satellite navigation, and collision avoidance braking for a safe and luxurious ride. With a spacious interior, third-row seating, and a 360-view camera, every journey is comfortable and secure. Plus, the chrome package, glass roof, and sunroof add a touch of style. Rest assured with anti-corrosion and powertrain warranty, while our full multi-point health check guarantees peace of mind. Don't miss out on this premium SUV. Call us at Dooley Motors Carlow or visit our showroom today.